Today we're diving into the Worth Garden Carbon Steel Hand Tool, a must-have for any gardening enthusiast. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel, this trowel is built to last. The ergonomic non-slip grip ensures comfort and control, even during extended use. Whether you're digging, weeding, loosening soil, planting, or transplanting, this tool handles it all with ease. What sets this trowel apart is its robust construction and thoughtful design. The widened angle between the shovel head and handle reduces strain on your wrist and enhances efficiency. The handle, made from durable metal, promises longevity without deformation. It's evident that Worth prioritizes both functionality and durability in their design. AS for performance. The carbon steel blade effortlessly cuts through soil and roots, making light work of any gardening task. The ergonomic grip not only provides comfort, but also enhances precision, allowing for delicate maneuvers in tight spaces. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, this tool's versatility and ease of use make it a valuable addition to your gardening arsenal. Worth stands behind their product with a generous 3-year warranty, underscoring their confidence in its durability. For anyone serious about gardening or simply looking to maintain their yard with ease, the Worth Garden Carbon Steel Hand Tool is a solid investment. Join me in exploring why this tool deserves a place in every gardener's shed.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.